And when do you really get the opportunity to feel amazing about that warranty? It's when you do the odd time that you do get a clogged drain. Hey guys, Rafa here, Preferred Plumbing. So check this out. I want to talk to you guys about warranties, okay? Drain cleaning warranties. Firstly, many home service companies don't even offer warranties when you have a clogged drain to clean the drain. Rightfully so, because that coagulated grease, that food debris gets stuck in that line. Even though we break a hole through it with the snake machine, you can get a blockage again soon after. But we have a system called power jetting and power flushing. And the beauty of that is, we give different options. The beauty of it is power jetting or power flushing will restore the pipe almost 100% back to its original condition. So the beauty of that is, if the customer chooses the right option, it comes with a warranty. And when do you really get the opportunity to feel amazing about that warranty? It's when you do the odd time that you do get a clogged drain. And we had a lady, wasn't too recent, it was about a month or two back, called in, said my kitchen sink clogged up again. I think it was about 16 months after the job, after the job we did, after cleaning her drain and responding to her call and whatnot. But she purchased a 3-year power jetting drain cleaning. So the beauty of that was, that things do happen. You know, she probably had a lot of people over, or perhaps there was some cleaning help, you know, in the house, and they were doing a lot of food preparation. A lot went down the guardrail, a lot went down the drain, and she had a clog. She gave us a call. We came out. We treated it with the same urgency and the same respect and the same service as we would any other service call. We sent our highly trained technician out, had a look, cleaned the line, took care of it, did a maintenance on it, $0 charged. That's when you get to feel good about your warranty. You don't know when you're going to need it. But when you do need it and you don't have to pay again for that same service, that's when you're going to really feel good about it. Make sure to choose the right option that meets your needs. Remember, Preferred Plumbing. We stand behind our warranties. Don't we, Lily? Yep, absolutely. All right, guys, take care.